Hello everybody. So in this particular scene, I want to show you how you can cast shadows in a scene without the objects being present. So right now you can see all these objects in here and they're all casting shadows from a point light. But what happens if we want the geometry to disappear but the shadows still to be there? Well, in this tutorial, very quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can composite some really nice shots for cinematics and gameplay so you can add fake shadows, let's call them, wherever you might need them. So this in theory works for any type of object that you have in the world. So if I go in here and I select all these planes, for example, like that, what I need to do is I want to have a look here where it says, under rendering, it has visible and actor hidden. What you want to do is you want to click on the visible button. So now they're both, they're all four gone, but so are the shadows. And we don't want to click the actor hidden in game because then we will never be able to see the planes either in game or the viewport or whatever as what how we are right now. So what we want to do then over here where it says light mask settings and you got cast shadow, you want to go to the advanced in here and you will have an option that says hidden shadow. So when you click that, now you get the shadows. You can see there you get the shadows, but you don't actually get the visible planes. So if we want to bring them back, we can just click over here onto the visible. Sorry, I think it's down here actually. So now you can see that the planes are there. And if we untick this, then the planes are gone. Now we're going to also select these four spheres here. So we're going to do the same thing because I want to show you just how the interaction kind of plays, because we do have this sphere here overlapping with this shadow and this one over here like that. So we're going to go into the same thing what we did before. It's down here where we want to turn off the visibility and then make sure that we have hidden shadows turned on. And as you can see, they're still interplaying with each other. The two shadows are still combining. So this is a very, very easy way for you to be able to composite a scene in which you have a shadow that's coming from an object or an actor that is actually invisible. So this allows you to create, things like a shadow in a scene that obviously wouldn't be there unless you'd put something to block the light, but that could come into contact with your camera, could be in the camera view. You might want to use a material with an opacity set to 0, which is going to be expensive as opposed to this solution. So I hope this helps out. If you want to support the channel, please feel free to have a look on my Patreon, on my Fab Marketplace, and for the price of a coffee, you can get one of my many projects that I have. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep creating.